Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the wonderful world of photography. David Bradley here. Here's another picture of a goldfinch eating the head off a thistle. This picture was shot vertically, not horizontally. And in order to show it kind of like this, I had to kind of crop in. There is another purple flower down below you can't see. There's other stuff you can't see. But anyway, it's funny. Cropping is sort of a thing. Um, well, it's a great talent to be able to crop something and make it better than it was. And indeed, I'm not sure that this picture is better than it was cropped in, but it certainly shows the goldfinch with the, I guess it's the seed after ripping apart the seed pod. You can see the bird much better than in the previous picture because, of course, it's not flinging things, but of course, the seed pods are all, like dangling there, ready to go. And of course, that's nature. In that the seed pods come out, things happen, they get spread around, and then, maybe more thistles grow. So, I believe this will end the series on, for the moment anyway, thistles and goldfinches, I believe. I don't know. Maybe I'll see about turning this picture around and doing um, a long, tall shot of it. I'm not sure. I'll see. I'll ponder. Anyway, it's great to be able to take your camera or take your phone out into the world and capture something memorable. So remember, you don't need the best lens, you don't need the best camera, you don't need the best whatever. What you really need to do is train your eye and look for cool things and then capture them. And another thing is, don't just capture them at the height of your eye. Move up, move down, move to the side, do angles. The world is not seen at the height just of your eye. And if that means you got to get down on the ground, you got to get down on the ground. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.